Modern leadership requires swift, informed decisions in an environment characterized by complexity, uncertainty, and overwhelming data. To navigate these dynamics, many leaders are turning to a powerful ally: artificial intelligence. Increasingly, executives see artificial intelligence not as a disruptor, but as an augmentation tool, a strategic thought partner that complements human judgment and enhances decision making capabilities. Benefit 1: real time clarity. AI can process and analyze vast amounts of structured and unstructured data far quicker than humans, turning information into current, actionable insights. When implemented effectively, this capability accelerates the decision making process, supporting strategic agility and faster response to market shifts, an essential advantage in today's landscape. Benefit 2: data driven precision. Through predictive analytics, AI can analyze historical data and current patterns to forecast market demand, identify risks, and anticipate future trends with greater accuracy, providing valuable input for strategic planning. AI systems can help reduce certain human biases, such as confirmation bias or emotional influence. Yet, because AI reflects the data it's trained on, maintaining diverse and high quality data sets remains essential. Benefit 3: cognitive freedom. AI can automate repetitive or routine tasks like initial data analysis, scheduling, or report generation, freeing leaders and teams to focus on innovation and high value strategic work. By reducing cognitive overload, AI enables leaders to dedicate more attention to creativity, long term vision, and the human side of leadership: communication, empathy, and collaboration. Some AI tools also support scenario planning and simulations, allowing leaders to explore hypotheses and assess risks before implementing costly strategies in the real world. Balancing the partnership. AI offers precision and analytical power, while humans contribute emotional intelligence, ethical reasoning, and contextual understanding. The future of leadership lies in harmonizing both. Effective leadership in the AI era means developing AI literacy, the ability to interpret insights critically, understand limitations, and make decisions that align technology with human values. AI is reshaping leadership. By embracing it as your strategic thought partner, you can make more informed, ethical, and visionary decisions that move your organization forward.